iPhone is rumored to be lighter than ever, thicker than ever, or maybe even smarter than ever. Is iPhone giving us more or taking too much away? Stick around because what I'm about to show you in this video, what I'm about to tell you, is going to blow your mind. Now, we're going to be talking about 5 sections in this video. 1. Design. 2. Display and colors. 3. Performance. 4. Camera and battery. 5. Price and release. Those are the 5 sections we're going to be talking about in this video today. Now, for the design, which is the section 1, let's start with what everyone's been talking about. The iPhone 17 Air is expected and rumored to be 5.5 millimeters thin. Just 5.5, and that's like very thin. That's thinner than the Galaxy S25 Edge and way lighter, around 145 grams. This makes it the slimmest iPhone in history and is giving off iPhone 5 vibes with a modern twist. We are talking clean aluminum titanium build, edge to edge display, but smaller and smoother. That takes us to the next thing we're talking about, section 2, which is the display and the colors. The display of this iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be a 6.6-inch OLED with 120Hz ProMotion. So expect silky smooth scrolling. And for the colors, let's say we are getting new light apple blue plus gold, black, and silver. Now, to the next section, which is section 3, talking about the performance of this iPhone 17 Air. Now, don't even let the slim body fool you because this phone is coming power packed with a 12 GB of RAM and the new A19 Pro chip, the same chip expected in the Pro models. And for the very first time, Apple might use its own C1 modem, meaning faster connection, less battery drain, and maybe even better 5G. You heard me right. Section 4, that takes us to the camera and battery. But here's where things get interesting. Okay, the iPhone 17 might come with a 48MP rear camera and super clear, and a 24MP front camera. So if you're a content creator or a selfie queen, this is your good news. It's your time to shine. Shine, sister, shine, brother. But on a serious note, the battery might be a problem. Why do I say so? To stay that thing, it could have a 2800 mAh battery, and that's small. So we are hoping iOS 26 new adaptive power mode will help it last all day. That takes us to section 5, which is the price and the release. When are they releasing iPhone 17 Air, and what price are they giving us? What price is the market giving us to buy iPhone 17 Air? So for the release of this iPhone, all signs points to September 2025, as usual for all iPhone launches. And that's about 2 months from the day I'm making this video. Price-wise, it might sit around for about $899 or more. And that's about over 1 million naira. 1 million naira will reach me to build estate. So what do you think? It's going to be enough to build an estate. I'm joking. Well, that's depending on dollar rates. But currently, $899 is over 1 million naira in Nigeria. That's at the time of this video. So, what do you think about the iPhone 17 Air? Is it giving high-end luxury, or is Apple doing too much or too less? Tell me what you think about that in the comment section. That takes us to the end of this video. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more gists, more lifestyle, more beauty, whatever. It's your girl, Tahila. See you in my next video. Bye.